So we have discussed about the networks and what are the basics and the types of networks in the previous videos. So here we'll be seeing like what is TCP, what is IP, protocol suite and all. So let's start. So this is the session agenda of how the session will go on. So let us recap on this. So in general, we'll be sending messages and files from different devices, and these uses different types of networks. So, and why we do that using internet? It is because it is fast and reliable. So when we think about the networks, there are few types of networks. So those are PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. So these are the basic types of networks. So when it comes to PAN, it means personalized area network. So which means the coverage is only personalized network area. So it is only within a certain area. One of the real-time example is Bluetooth. And then when it comes to LAN, this is called as local area network, and this is like the LAN cables, Ethernet cables that which we are being using in the offices and all. So this is having a particular range. So this is like used in a building, and one of the examples is the Wi-Fi connections we can take. So when it comes to MAN, it means Metropolitan Area Network, and this type of network is the one that is over a city. So one of those examples is cable networks. And then the fourth one is called as WAN, which means wide area network. So which literally means that the connection or network is over a large geographical location, so across countries. So let us take it as world. And one of the examples for that is the internet. So these are the basic types of networks that is being used. So uh, what happens without a proper network protocol? So what I mean by protocol is that in simple terms, a protocol is a set of rules. So let's say in a college, students have a set of rules like coming early to coming on time to college, being punctual, maintaining their dress codes, tucking their shirts. So these are some of the uh, protocols or set of rules that is to be followed. Why we do these things? Because we want them to follow these protocols so that they lead a professional path. So same way here, a data also should follow certain protocols. If not, the data may get lost, the data may get delayed to transmit, the data may get misrouted, and different devices may not understand each other. So these are some of the problems which we are facing in the communication. So how do we design a protocol suite? So basically, a OSI model and the TCP differs from in one thing. That is, the OSI model is a conceptual thing that we learn. Why do we learn? Because we'll get a, a wide knowledge about how the networking works so that we can troubleshoot or do betterments in the process. And this TCP or IP protocol suite is similar to that, but then this is being used practically in the internet for like internet. So in OSI there'll be 7 layers, and when it comes to the TCP suite there'll be like 4 to 5 layers. So uh, these 5 layers are like application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network access layers. So layers plus specific roles plus protocols, it gives a particular solution. So that is called as TCP or IP. So here I have given some of the examples for those layers. How does data travel? So data basically is being broken into packets, and each packet carries a specific message, and then it is being arranged while it reaches the destination. So this is one of the example, like we are using email app, then it delivers TCP used to deliver, then IP routing and internet, and then it goes to recipient end. So what challenges we'll be facing is that same delays, loss, congestion. Congestion means more number of data is coming at the same time, and then incompatible devices, which means one device may be of a bigger memory or bigger acceptance rate, but whereas the other one may be of low, so it cannot accept and it may overflow. So on conclusion, it solves this TCP, it solves these kind of problems. So that's why it is being employed widely. And this is one of the mind maps that we are using. We can go through it. You can take a screenshot and go through this mind map for your convenience. So in the next video, we'll be seeing about what the OSM models are and how they work. Thank you for watching.